Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Miss Grammar. We are talking about speaking English on the phone, Episode 7, Part 2. Section 8, wrong number calls. Very common. Wrong number calls happen to everyone. Don't panic. Just be polite. Easy sentences. Sorry, wrong number. I think you have the wrong number. There is no one here by that name.
These sentences are simple and safe. Example conversation. Hello, is this John?
Sorry, wrong number.
Oh, sorry about that.
No problem. Practice. Repeat after me. Sorry, wrong number. I think you have the wrong number. Excellent. Section 9, Funny Story 4. Alex talked for 5 minutes to a wrong number. Alex once received a call. The caller started talking very seriously.
I listened, I replied, I gave advice. After 5 minutes, the caller said, "Wait, who are you?"
Wrong number. Free life coaching. What we learn. Always confirm early. May I know who is calling? Who is this, please? Section 10. Asking someone to call later. Sometimes you are busy. You can't talk. Polite sentences. Can I call you back later? Please call me later. I'm busy right now.
These are respectful and natural. Example.
Sorry, I'm busy right now. Can I call you back later?
Sure, no problem. Practice. Repeat. I'm busy right now. Can I call you back later? Great.
Section 11. Funny Story 5. Luna said, "Call me yesterday." I wanted to say call me later, but I said call me yesterday.
Time machine English.
What we learn. Correct words. Later equals future. Yesterday equals past. Section 12. Bad network and sound problems. Network problems are very common. Useful sentences. Can you hear me? The line is not clear. You're breaking up. I can't hear you clearly.
Native speakers use these all the time. Practice. Repeat. Can you hear me? You're breaking up. The line is not clear. Perfect.
Section 13. Funny Story 6. Alex kept saying, hello? Alex was on a bad network call.
I kept saying, hello? 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 The other person was saying the same thing.
Section 14. Leaving a voice message. Sometimes no one answers. You can leave a message. Hi, this is Alex. Please call me back. Thank you.
Short messages are best. Example message.
Hi, this is Luna. Please call me back. Thank you.
Practice. Repeat. Please call me back. This is
Section 15. Long phone conversation. Real life. Hello?
Hi, this is Alex calling. May I speak to Luna?
Speaking.
Are you free now?
I'm a bit busy. Can I call you back later?
Sure, no problem.
Section 16. Speaking practice for you. Answer out loud. Number 1. How do you say wrong number? Number 2. How do you ask someone to call later? Number 3. What do you say when the network is bad?
You're improving already.
Bill is end. End of part 2. Amazing job! Phone English is becoming easier.
One final part is left. Ending calls, polite goodbyes, and final practice.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Miss Grammar.